A frequently asked question at OESD and Scissortail Stitches is, how do I download the designs I just purchased online? Let's explore that. There are several ways to access your digital downloads. One of them is right after you place an order, you will be shown a confirmation screen like this, and simply by clicking here under the Design Download Instructions, it will take you to your My Designs page. You can also access this page from the email confirmation that you get sent after you place an order. And anytime you go to either website, Embroidery Online or scissortailstitches.com, there will be a My Designs clickable link in the top right-hand corner. So let's see what this page shows us. Here are all of our designs, and they are ordered in the most recent design at the top of the list. But if you scroll down, you can see all of your digital downloads are right here. Whether it be an individual design or a full collection, they're displayed. And here is the rocket ship we just downloaded for free. It's a single design, and you can always tell that because there's the 5-digit collection number followed by a 2-digit design number. Holly Jolly greeting cards, this is a collection. So if you want to look at individual designs within the collection, just click Show Collection, and it will show the individual ones. That way, if you just want to download a single design from that collection, you can do that. So let's talk about how you download them. First of all, come over under File Format, and you will see it says All Available Formats. That can be your default if you want to download every format. However, if you just want to download a particular format for your machine, let's do a PES. And here I am downloading the entire collection. I click Download. And if you watch at the bottom left corner of your screen, now I've downloaded that collection, 12834 PES, and it's in a zip file. I will need to unzip that to access the individual designs. Now, where did that go? Is a question we often get. Typically, it goes into your Downloads folder. So you can look for it there, click on it, and then extract all of the designs. If you just want to download an individual design, and let's do that from this collection, I'm going to show the collection and come down and select, oh, I do like this present card. We'll select that one. I'll select my format. This time let's do JEF. I'll select Jeff and click Download, and it shows up again down here. Now you'll notice this is not in a zip file, which is great. I can just take that. I could actually just drag it over to my stick and take it right to my machine and stitch it. So if you don't want them in a zip file, download the individual designs. If you download a format or all available formats, it will come in a zip file. Now, one other thing to notice over here, next to that is the PDF. So if I want to see the sewing information, instructions, projects, all of that information is in the PDF. I can click on it, and now the PDF is downloaded. I can select that, and it'll show me right here on my screen. While we're looking at this, let me point out a couple of things to you about the PDF. First of all, it will show you your thread list. Then it will show you all of the designs that are in that collection and the thread chart for that particular design. I'm going to scroll on down. What happens after the designs are displayed is then you get into the instructions on how to do them, if there are instructions for that particular collection. If it's a project in and of itself, or there's a project that goes with it, it will be after all of the design information. So we can scroll through here, and then you have your step-by-step instructions on how to create the greeting cards. At the end of that, we'll scroll on down here. That's another method. At the very end of this PDF, if there are appliques, you have your applique patterns. So first you have your regular applique, and you also have mirrored patterns. So if you were going to print this on Applique Fusion Fix, you would want to do it reversed. The instructions will tell you which ones to use. Just wanted to point that out to you. So let's go back to our downloads and see what else we can do here. I can come in and search my downloads for a particular topic, quilting. So every collection that has quilting in the title will show up here, whether it be individual designs or a full collection. You can also sort by design number. So if I want just collection number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it shows me the collection Classic Line Quilting. One more thing I would like to point out to you on the My Design page, if we scroll back up, you have access to all of your orders, My Designs, of course, addresses, payment methods, your wish list. If you put something on a wish list, you can look at it here, recently viewed designs, and your account settings, all right here on this page. And again, the process works identically on Scissortail Stitches as it does on Embroidery Online, and your designs that you order from Scissortail Stitches can only be viewed on that website, and the same with Embroidery Online. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this helped to demystify where those designs go when you purchase them online. Thank you. Bye-bye.